Hey guys, today we're gonna get your cables under control using a binder clip.
Mommy hacks! Mommy hacks!
So when I'm sitting at a table, working on a laptop, usually my little box is down there because, you know, the plug-in is like 15 feet away. And this guy's here, and I feel like I'm talking about nonsense, and it just kind of falls off. We have this simple little hack here, where you take your binder clip, put it on the edge of your table, pop the top guy out, that guy there, and then put it back in. Let's see, it's not this hard the first time. There we go. And now you're not gonna lose track of it and go fishing for it on the floor. You can do the same thing with pretty much any cable here, or your headphones, you just earbuds. These are not mine. These are obviously a man's cords.
What?
Yeah. What girl?
That's sexist.
When was the last time you saw a girl with earbuds this dirty?
I think every mom crap looks like this.
Nope.
Especially girls' makeup. You know, girls' makeup looks dirty and disgusting. Always.
That is true.
See?
So you should do this from now on. So what else do you guys do with your cords to keep them organized? Send us ideas with your hacks. Let us know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Mommy hacks! Mommy hacks!
And the other one says, what do I look like? A radio?
This is stupid.